Describe someone you know who has recently moved to a new place. You should say who he or she is, what the new place is like, why he or she moved to a new place, and explain whether his or her move has a positive impact on you.
People move to new places basically for two main reasons. One is job and another one is education. Recently, my cousin went to Montreal, Canada for higher education, and it was his childhood dream. When he got the visa, he shouted and said to us, and it was a great opportunity for him to visit Canada and explore the education quality of Canada. And sometimes I called him and we tried to talk with him over the phone. When I connect with him, he cannot stop how amazing the Canada because the education quality comparatively better than Bangladesh, and the weather and the culture is totally different from the Bangladesh. And he also tried to explore whole Canada also, and he said to me he visited the Niagara Falls also, and he said to me sometimes he missed Bangladesh because when he stayed in Bangladesh, he shared a room with his brother, but at present time she got a individual room, and here is included one opportunity also because he can give full concentration his studies also. And his moving there, and it was a great inspiration for me because when he prepare himself for go to the higher education, he go through the some process. He need one proficiency certificate just like the Ielts exam, and first time he didn't understand the English, and he cannot speak English the properly, and so he tried many times, and sometimes he engaged himself to watch English movie and try to listen English podcast also. And and I explore this strategy also, so that if he didn't go there, I never and ever cannot go to visit for my higher education also in Canada. So it was a big inspiration for me, and from this person I get inspiration, and I also motivate myself to go to developed country for my higher education.